what numbers should I really be checking at year end that would be instantly revealed whether my business is healthy or struggling?
Okay. Commonly, a lot of small business owners by default is just checking the profit and loss or the income statement. So wala silang balance sheet. The balance sheet kasi is the financial position. Technically, it's a statement of financial position. And from there, yes, nakita mo sa profit and loss you're profiting. But at the end of the day, is your net worth, are you net worth positive? Meaning, is your asset more than the liability? Ang tawag doon is the cash position. Eh. If it's negative, then you're in trouble. Kahit na you're profitable for the year. So pretty much the cash flow, if you have cash flow surplus, then your payable and receivables kasi doon ka maglalaro ng working capital. And lastly, the inventory value if you're selling goods. Especially if you want to track fast-selling items and dead stocks. So basically, those are the things that you should be checking each time.